I use UI University in two ways. I use it, one, for a sales tool. I like to, if I'm trying to close a deal, and we're primarily a Savant dealer, and I want to show somebody how to use the app, I show them in person how to use the app, but as I'm sending them their bids or questions about their bids, I will say, hey, by the way, go to this link on my website, watch some of these videos. Maybe his wife wasn't at the meeting, so I said, show your wife these videos so she can see how easy it is to operate the system, how easy it is to turn on music around the house, adjust the lights in the room. So the other way I use it as tech support. So if a client calls me, says, hey, I forgot how to do this, I'll tell them how to do it, but I'll also remind them, hey, go to my website. It shows you a step-by-step on how to do that. And recently I used it for myself because I forgot how to set up thermostat schedules. So in order for me to set up thermostat schedules, I went back to my website, watched the video, and then helped the client set it up that way.